Hello friends, this is Mike from Wright, and this is the explanations video for SAT 2's reading section, passage number 2, question 19. Data in the graph about per pound coffee profits in Tanzania most strongly support which of the following statements? Alright, so this is a quantitative information question. It's a question about the graph. Now, here's the graph up here, and really this question is asking, read the graph and then tell me which of these are true and which is false. So to review the graph real quick, here we want to start with a title. This is a graph about regular coffee profits, and they're comparing regular coffee profits to fair trade coffee profits. So this is a graph about profits. It's showing profits. What are the axes? Well, the x-axis here is years, so this is the year 2000, and this is the year 2008, so it's between the years 2000 and 2008. And then the thing we're tracking is the amount. And I really wish here that they had just written profits, but this is the SAT. They're evil. So they wrote amount, and here we want to ask, like, amount of what? And here they're saying US cents per pound. And this is money. US cents is money, and this is money per pound. Pound of what? Probably pound of coffee. And this is where the title really comes in and saves us, right? Amount of what? This is amount of money. What kind of money are we talking about? We're talking about profits. This right here, this is the profits. So this is a graph that shows profits, profits over time. Here are the profits in 2000 and 2002 and 2004, 2006, and 2008. They go between what? 0 cents per pound and 160 cents per pound. And there's two different lines here. One of the lines, this open circle-y line, that's this one up here, is the fair trade coffee line. This line shows the profits of fair trade coffee. This darker closed circle line is the regular coffee line. This shows the profits of regular coffee. Now in the annotations video, before we sort of went to the questions, I recommended that you look at the graph before you even answer the questions and just get a general sense of the story that it tells. And here the general story that this graph tells is that fair trade coffee profits are pretty high. And regular trade coffee profits, they go up and down, but they're lower, right? This whole line is below this whole line. All right, so let's look at the rightness and wrongness of each of these answer choices. Answer choice A. Data in the graph about per pound coffee profits in Tanzania most strongly support which of the following statements? This one, fair trade coffee consistently earned greater profits than regular coffee earned. Okay, fair trade coffee, that's this one, earned consistently, and this is like with no exceptions, earned greater profits than regular coffee. So this line needs to be always higher than this line. All right, that's true. Let's move on to answer choice B. The profits earned from regular coffee did not fluctuate. All right, now here if we're looking at regular coffee, that's this line, this black line with the closed circles. The profits earned from regular coffee did not fluctuate. And maybe you don't know the word fluctuate. And that's, I mean, again, vocab limitations on the SAT. If you're only ever missing questions because you don't have the vocab words, that's totally okay. There's workarounds for vocab. As long as you have strong fundamentals, don't be too worried about missing a word like fluctuate. Here the word fluctuate means go up and down. Regular trade coffee profits do go up and down. Look, they go down, they stay the same, they go up, they stay the same, they go up a little bit, they go up, they fluctuate. All right, so answer choice B is wrong because regular coffee profits do fluctuate. Now, it's worth noting that fair trade coffee profits don't fluctuate. So one of the easy ways of getting this wrong, probably one of the most common ways of getting this wrong, is by mixing up fair trade coffee and regular coffee. By looking at the fair trade line, being like, yeah, that doesn't fluctuate, and then being down with answer choice B. All right. Of course, don't mix these things up. Don't make this mistake. If you made that mistake, note that to yourself and be like, I need to never mix up the damn lines. All right. Answer choice C. Fair trade coffee profits increased between 2004 and 2006. Now again, we're looking at fair trade coffee profits, and we're looking at the time period between 2004, so that's this, and 2006, so that's this. And this claim is saying that they increased. So from here to here, the fair trade coffee profits increased. Well, they didn't. They stayed the same. They didn't increase. This line isn't going up. Probably you didn't look at this line and think it's going up and pick C if you're the sort of person who picked C. Probably what you did is the same mistake. you mixed up fair trade coffee with regular coffee. Because check this out, this isn't a coincidence either. Look at regular coffee between 2004 and 2006, right? In 2004, it was, call it, I don't know, 25. And up in 2006, it was like 40. Look at that. Regular coffee's profits increased between 2004 and 2006. But this question isn't about regular coffee. It's about fair trade coffee. It's about this coffee. And that claim is wrong. Fair trade coffee didn't increase. All right. Answer choice D. Fair trade and regular coffee were earning equal profits by 2008. Now this is answered by, this axis is the profits axis. But even if you're not totally there, even if you're not like, oh, this is the profits axis and they have different profits, here the word equal should give you a hint of like, all right, well, they've got to have equal something by 2008. And what even on this graph, even if you don't know that this is profits, like even if you don't know where profits is on the graph, like what is even equal here between these two, right? They aren't in the same place. So straight up, if you thought that these two were equal in some way, like I would be really actually curious. Hit me up in the comments to let me know, because I wonder what kind of mistake you would make to get this answer choice. Feel me? Okay, that's it for these answer choices. I'll see you in the next question.